And welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the AC blower motor resistor on a Nissan Xterra. So why replace the blower resistor? If your AC or heater only works on a high setting, or even not at all, it's often a bad resistor. This part controls the fan speed, so if the low or medium settings stop working, this is likely the culprit. So start by going underneath the passenger side dash. Just look up behind the plastic trim panel, and you'll see the blower resistor is mounted next to the blower motor, held in by two hex-headed small screws. And you'll see the white electrical connector going to it, along with a metal clip that holds the wire up. You'll need to remove this clip carefully and not damage the wire. So with the old resistor out, it's time to unplug the white electrical connector to it and plug in our new one. Now, grab your new resistor and plug it in. Reinstall the two screws and you're done. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.